Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Mark Tutorials. Today we are continuing with our letter L, moving on to 50 intermediate words, of which presented here before you stand. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Lament, shok karna ya afsos. He lamented the loss of his childhood friend. Limit, seema ya seemit karna. The speed limit on this road is 60 kilometers per hour. Loyal, wafadar. She's a loyal friend who always helps me. Linger, rukna ya thairna. They lingered at the cafe for hours after the meal. Lush, hara bhara ya samriddh. The garden is lush with flowers and greenery. Lure, pralobhan ya akarshit karna. The promise of a free meal lured the customers into the restaurant. Lacerate, chire lagana ya katna. The broken glass lacerated his hand. Languish, durbal hona, nasht hona. The plants languish due to lack of water. Leisure, afkash. I like to read books in my leisure time. Lethargic, sust. He felt lethargic after the long journey. Lurk, chipna. Shadow lurked in the corner of the room. Loathe, nafrat karna. She loathes waking up early in the morning. Livid, krodhit. He was livid when he found out the truth. Lofty, uncha. The lofty mountains towered over the village. Lunatic, pagal. The lunatic wandered through the streets shouting. Literal, shabdik. The literal meaning of the word is to make a sound. Lull, shanti ya shant karna. The sound of the rain lulled me to sleep. Legacy, dharohar, virasat. The family left behind a rich cultural legacy. Languid, durbal, thaka hua. After a long hike, she felt languid and needed rest. Liberal, udar. He has a liberal view on social issues. Lattice, jali. The vine grew along the wooden lattice. Lapel, collar. He wore a flower on his lapel, collar. Laceration, katav ya ghav. The accident left him with several lacerations. Leverage, prabhav ya labh. He used his position to leverage the company's success. Liability, jimmedari, daitva. The company has a liability for the safety of its employees. Lucid, spasht, sadharan. His explanation was so lucid that everyone understood. Lyric, gitatmak, sangitatmak. The lyrics of the song were very moving. Levitate, hawa mein uthna. The magician made the object levitate. Latitude, akshansh. The latitude of the city is 40 degrees north. Lurid, bhayanak, akarshak. The news report was full of lurid details. Lithe, lachila ya patla. Dancer's lithe body moved gracefully across the stage. Lobby, dabab dalna ya lobby. The politician tried to lobby for support from the voters. Lacerate, chire lagana, ghav karna. The barbed wire lacerated his arm. Lyricism, gitatmakta. The lyricism in her poem touched the hearts of many. Lagging, pichadna, dhima hona. He was lagging behind the rest of the group. Lineage, Vanshavali. He was proud of his noble lineage. Laceration, ghav, chira. The laceration on his arm required stitches. Latch, kundi, band karna. She locked the door with a latch before leaving. Leash, patta. She walked her dog on a leash in the park. Lavish, atyadhik, bahumulya. They had a lavish wedding with an extravagant feast. Lymph. The lymph helps fight infections and supports the immune system. Lethal, ghatak. The snake bite was lethal and required immediate medical attention. Loftiness, unchai, mahanta. His loftiness was reflected in his actions and words. Leverage, prabhav, labh. He used his position to leverage the company's success. Lurking, chipa hua. There was a lurking danger in the area. Luxurious, bhavya. The luxurious hotel offered a breathtaking view of the ocean. Lush, hara bhara, samriddh. The garden was lush with beautiful flowers and greenery. Looming, ubharta hua, nikat. A storm was looming on the horizon. Listless, nishkriya, utsahaheen. She felt listless after the long day at work. Lattice work, jali ka kaam. The garden gate was made of intricate lattice work. That's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.